February with another episode of Life Lessons. This life lesson video is going to cover carry-on bags and how to effectively pack them. This video is dedicated to Kelly Jo Larson, who asked for the video or asked for my opinion on carry-on packing. First and foremost, I'm going to say take your electronics, tablets, laptops, electric toothbrushes, tablets, laptops, electric toothbrushes, and all the electronics. Make sure those go on the outside pockets of your carry-on. That way they're easier access to take out and put out of your carry-on and put them into the tray and have them scanned separately. That way you don't get an infamous bag check. Also, make sure you take out your liquids, 311 bags, quart-size baggies, and place them on the top of your carry-on bag as well. In the outside pockets, if you can, just throw them in or put them on the tippy top of the main compartment zipper. That way, once you open it, you pull out the bag, throw it in, and you're good to go. Also, who wants to pay for all the heavy clothes in the checked bag if you can get away with just packing a carry-on? So as we have a pair of jeans here, you fold those in half and then roll them like so. Roll them as tightly as possible and pack your bag as tightly as possible, Tetris style. That way you can fit as many garments of clothing as possible so you can get the most out of your carry-on. Also, your carry-on bags need to be a certain size. I will insert that here. And with your carry-on sizes, make sure you're careful of that. Some airlines are a little bit more particular than others and they'll try to get you to check a bag in, go figure, and have a surprise cost while flying. Nobody wants that. Also, when working for TSA for almost a decade, that there were no other travelers who could pack a bag as tightly as military and the Boy Scouts. That's because they rolled all of their garments as tightly as possible to fit as much as they could. I hope that video was helpful for you to know what is the best way to pack a carry-on bag. If you liked this video, please like, share, or subscribe. And also check out my Instagram or my Etsy page if you want to get some more of lovely